No, comrades, it is a morning. Earlier on today, we did a video to advise our Zimbabwean brothers and Zimbabwean sisters because of they are our brothers, they are our sisters. So we then said to them, ZANU PF is planning to extend the term of a dictator. They are planning to extend the term Era Mnangagwa. You would know that Mnangagwa is the president of Zimbabwe. Okuguchi abantu baseZimbabwe bayahlupheka because of ama leader abafana naye. Today in South Africa we have undocumented foreigners, some of them abaphuma eZimbabwe, who are in the country illegal because of they flew or they left their country because of babaleka inhlupheko, bahluphekiswa igovernment under the leadership of a dictator called Mnangagwa. So we said earlier on to our sisters and brothers that go to your country and go and remove a dictator. And one of the reasons or what inspired us to record that video was to say, we would see some of you marching against our government, marching against the government of South Africa. Nenza ama demands in our country, South Africa. So some of us, we believe that it is fair that you go to your country and fight against your government. I can tell you right now, South Africa is not the best country in amaphutha wayo. And that's why we would assure you, Tina, as South Africans, that a useless president, efana no Cyril Ramaphosa, before June next year, he will not be the president of this country. We are going to make sure of that. Why? Because of we are not going to allow abantu abafana nabo Cyril Ramaphosa to destroy this country, to continue to destroy the future eyengane zase South Africa. Today, we have Abu Madlanga Commission. Today we have Abu Ad Hoc Committee because of we are led by a useless president. We are led by a president who has no vision about South Africa. So that's why, Tina, as South Africans, that's why you would even go in our videos. We speak against our government. We march against our government. Cyril Ramaphosa might still be a president today, but he knows Goguti, South Africans, they no longer want him. We don't recognize him as a leader. And therefore, even Nani, our African brothers and sisters from Zimbabwe, it is about time, wherever you are, that you rise up and go and fight a dictator and go and remove a dictator. Because of, I can tell you, some of us, the reason why we are fighting for our country, South Africa, it is because of we understand that ingane zethu, this is where they belong. They have nowhere to go. So if some of you are not going to do that, what about your kids? And that's why I even said on the video that we recorded earlier on to say to our Zimbabwean brothers and sisters, labo abanemali, abanama resource, they must help our other sisters and brothers ukuthi babuyele ekhaya. They must go and make sure ukuthi uMnangagwa angeke ayibone i-third term. Why would somebody okuthi akasebenzeli abantu, why would somebody ekuthi abantu abaku country yakhe they would come to South Africa bazothola amapilisi bazofuna imisebenzi nani anga create imisebenzi, anga create ukuthi Zimbabwe to be a better place for abantu bakhe bahlale, and then that same person still want to come. So we are not the ones who are going to speak against Mnangagwa. Tina, we are going to fight Cyril Ramaphosa. We are going to do that. And some of us have even made it clear that as we do this, we understand that there will be those angeke bajabule. They can even go as far as wanting to kill us, as wanting to arrest us, but we don't care. What we care about is a better South Africa, and that's why we advise our Zimbabwean brothers and sisters that go to your country and fight a dictator. Go to your country that even when you look at yourself in the mirror, because you know, one of the things that is so sad, it is that you are in a country where you know ukuthi awusu umuntu walapho, where sometimes some of you would even have to lie to say no, maybe ke Mosotho, ke Mozulu, ke Motswana, when you are not dead, all because of, somehow maybe you are not welcome there, or maybe ukuthi awungenanga ngasemthethweni. That's not a good thing. That's not the way that some of us, we want to see our African brothers living. And that's why we are advising you to go and fight Umnangwangwa and go and fight Izanu PF.